Hello, in this AutoCAD AI drawing printing, you will learn how to print fast using AutoCAD model space. And I will be printing these structural drawings to show you how it works. And this will be converted automatically and merge all the drawing sheet to PDF just like this in this video. You are very welcome. Stay connected as we get started. So before we use this powerful plugin to instantly print all of these structural drawing sheets and merge them to PDF, you have to ensure that this drawing sheet is arranged orderly, just as I have mine right here. This is the cover page. I have the structural drawings and the general construction note, followed by the foundations, and so on and so forth. So this is an horizontal drawing sheet arrangement in the model space of AutoCAD. You can also arrange your own in the vertical order. Okay, so after which we now have to proceed, and then there is nothing to take note of as the border line of the title block being block or being in layer. That is not a problem. Okay, although there is a provision where you said if you want to use that as a point of contact for the plugin to be able to capture the sheet successfully, but in this case there is nothing like that. I want to print it on a normal way, in normal circumstances where you set your title block, just normal way of doing it. Okay, nothing changed, nothing is added to the title block in terms of layers or blocking the external boundaries line of the title block, nothing like that. Okay, so let's make progress. We want to start to print, and then this plugin is called Hanna Bash Plot. So this is the name of the plugin, this one. So we have to click on that tab and then navigate to the plot drawings, this option. So you just have to click on the plot drawing. So in this Hanna Bash Plot window, this one, you can see the name of the drawings right here, structural ID. If you come down, you can see publish PDF file to file directory is here. We are going to navigate to where we wish to save this and ensure that you see this option of a merge PDF is checked successfully. Click on browse so we can navigate to a directory where we will have to save these drawings. I click on browse through desktop options. I scroll down. I want to use this folder called structs. I'll select that and then click on the OK option. So as you can see, I have the directory as drive C user admin desktop structs right here. Okay, I get to configuration tab. Over here we have two important plot area control. We have the model space, we have the layout space. So here is plot drawings in paper space, and this option is plot drawing in model space. So we are using this option. Mind you, nothing here should be checked. If you come down, see plot settings, the plotter print to PDF options. Okay, plot style is going to be monochrome. There are other plot style. We use monochrome. Report format is going to be Excel CSV file, and then you have to check this option of plot all drawings. If you come down, you can see the paper size. I use A3 420 millimeters by 297 millimeters, and this option of plot by positions. As you can see, we also have plot by page number. So you can use plot by position so the program can actually read your drawing sheet from left to right. If your drawing sheet is orderly arranged horizontally. Okay, so once this settings is done, just click on the save option and then proceed to click on this print option. So once you click on print option, the printing is started already. As you can see, this is the directory. If I scroll down, this has automatically numbered this drawing from left to right. I have total of 26 sheets right here I'm printing. Okay, so let's observe it. Finish printing, and then merge all of this sheet to one PDF automatically. You can see how fast it is. This is done. So I have to click on done right here. So I'll navigate to the desktop. I have to minimize this, and then here is the folder. I'll double click on it. So this is the PDF drawing that has been combined. I have to open it to this provisions, and you can see all the drawings is being printed and then combined to PDF just like this. As you can see how fast it is. Okay, so this is how fast you can be able to print your drawings successfully using model space, and then with this plugin called Hanna Bash. So this has actually eliminated the manual way of printing drawings from AutoCAD. We stop here to be continued in the next presentation. Have a great day and bye for now.